In this video, we're going to look at product rule and quotient rule for taking derivatives. Product rule, if it's not specified in your problem, is a technique that will allow you to take the derivative of a function where two or more things are multiplied together. For this problem, we have 8x minus x cubed times 5x plus 7. If you look at these parts separately, for example, think of this as your first term, this as your second term, and I'm going to refer to them as blue and red. When you take the derivative using product rule, you take the derivative of the first, which is the blue, multiply that by the second part, the red, left alone, plus, now you leave the first term alone, which is in blue, times the derivative of the second one, which is just 5, the part in red. And so that's your expansion two terms multiplied, it's the derivative of the first times the second left alone plus the first left alone times the derivative of the second. And that's your expansion. For quotient rule, look at it as numerator versus denominator. Numerator versus denominator. This expansion will be the derivative of the top times the bottom minus top times derivative of the bottom over the bottom, or the denominator squared. That's your quotient rule. For this particular problem, our derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. It's up to you how much foiling and distributing and combining like terms you do. Our problems are submitted in WebAssign, so they do a really good job of taking your problems and whether they're simplified all the way out or not. And we'll try to clean that up. But anyway, I hope this video helps. Thank you.